Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about Object Eraser on Samsung Galaxy A26. Let's begin! With the new Samsung series, the same goes with Samsung 26, 36 and 56, there's been a handful of new AI-powered features. And by far the most interesting one and the most cool one is the Object Eraser. So let's take a closer look. In order to actually test the Object Eraser, we want to go into some photos. But as you can see, these photos aren't that good, like they're pretty basic, so let's take some new ones. We'll go to our camera. By the way, don't worry about the number in the top left corner, it's just the refresh rate of my phone. I will take a photo of this little logo I have here. And like that, yeah, that's pretty good. And I'm thinking that I could do a photo of my logo right here, so I will do that. And as you can see, there's like this big halo on it. It's a little bit of glow effect. So I'm really wondering how. Let's do a couple of photos and maybe like the closer one. I'm really intrigued in order to see how it will actually do in this, well, pretty hard test, because the glowing effect will... I'm wondering what the AI will do with it. Yeah, let's just say that. Anyway, let's go to our photos. So let's go back to our gallery. Let me fix some stuff. And now we have some couple photos to work with. In order to actually enable the Object Eraser, we have to click these AI stars. If you ever used Google Gemini, you probably know that they mean, hey, I am AI-powered thing. Click me. Though sometimes you don't really have these options. As you can see, currently we have the remaster option, which is also a cool AI-powered feature. But sometimes we have like remove shadows. So in order to, for sure, enable our Object Eraser, we're going to click the pencil icon. Then we want to go with these 4 dots right here. And now we can go to Object Eraser. Now the AI will basically analyze the photo. As you can see, here we have the option to erase shadows, erase reflections, but we are not going to bother with that, because now we want to circle our logo here and hit erase. And let's see what will happen. As you can see, the setting isn't very good. Like, it tries, to be honest. It does its best, okay? It tries, it's what matters. But yeah, as you can see here, it's not very good. We could just try to circle it once again and try to remove the shadow itself. So let's hit erase. But as you can see, it will create this weird effect. It could be because of a weird lighting. Oh, as you can see, it only detects the black part. It doesn't really detect the white one. And now it's actually, I don't know what did detect. Let me go and try to do a hexagon shape. Okay, so let's try one last time. Yeah. Of course, this feature is the best when working with a very simple wallpapers, like a white wallpaper, for example, or just a white wall, or basically everything with a simple color scheme, so you know the AI will not struggle that much. It's also worth noting that this feature might struggle on some older phones or some weaker phones, like the 26 Samsung. However, it is important to note that this feature should work best and probably will work best on the 56. But so yeah, something to keep in mind. Anyway, let's try to test the setting with our logo, our logo here. So let's go with, we can hit done. We can save copy, so we can have a nice side-by-side comparison, which is not very good, as you can see. and let's get the ultimate test, that being the very bright logo. My guess is that the AI will absolutely struggle with it, but it is a pretty cool idea to test the erase shadows and erase reflections, because it is everything you need to know video, and you need to know that you could just click erase shadows, and in theory it would remove shadows. However, on this specific photo it did not detect any shadows. The same goes with the reflections. I don't think it will actually do anything. Oh, it says that it did that's interesting. Let's hit done. Let's save copy, because I want to just take a closer look. Okay, so it did remove reflections, and by remove reflections, it basically blurred the whole thing. So it said that this is for sure a reflection, this is a reflection, while on the original we have a nice amount of detail, which is lost in the process. Now, once again, this feature probably will work better on some phones with a higher CPU, or not the higher CPU, the better CPU, the better graphic power, the better RAM, and basically the better everything else, you know. But let's try the object eraser one last time. So let's go to our pencil icon, let's go here, let's go to the object eraser, and let's test it. I will draw a circle around our logo. It did detect it, so pretty cool. And now let's hit erase, and let's see what will happen. And we're left with pretty interesting effect, you know. I will hit done, just so we can have a nice comparison. As you can see, it basically removed the glowing LED, because if you look closely on our logo here, we can see that this is green, and this is also a green LED on its own. And the AI will just actually remove the LED. We can see that this is the original and this is the AI powered. If you look closely, you will see that, you know, something wrong happened with this photo. We can try it once again. So let me go back to our pencil icon, the 4 dots on the right, the object eraser on the left, and let's try to circle our logo once again, because currently it's just made of light, which is a cool effect for sure, but let's try to remove it. And something very important to keep in mind is that, you know, now it's just a ball of light. Cool. We can hit done. I will hit save copy. And as you can see, this is the whole process. This is the very first time we tried to use the removal tool. Actually, this is the remove reflection ones. As you can see, here is the detail. There is no detail. There is no white LED. And there is no logo. It's just a ball of omniscient light. Yeah. But it's also very important to keep in mind that even the best Photoshopper, nerd, whatever, would struggle against, you know, a photo like this one, which not only has the logo, but it's also glowing. If it would be turned off, then maybe it would be doable. Like, yeah, it probably would be doable, but because everything is on the light, I don't know, maybe we could turn this picture black and white, though still these parts would be a little bit more white. It would be they would be lighter, and these would be darker. So there is just no best option here. And to be honest, I did make some hard photos for the object eraser, but I hope that with these hard photos you actually can see now, you know, how object eraser behaves and how to use it. And if you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.